Hi mates, today I'm gonna show you how to fix file is dangerous so Chrome has blocked it. And just make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to explain you how to do it. So first, open your browser and then click here on these three little dots on right top corner next to your profile picture and click on settings, and here search for danger like this. Click on security here, and yeah, as you can see, this option standard protection is checked off. Just you must to check off this no protection here, turn off. And now this error, I mean, not actually it's not an error, this is actually an option. And now you can download dangerous files, I don't know, hacks, virus, something uh, that Chrome is blocking is blocking them. And yeah, that was it, how to fix file is dangerous so Chrome has blocked it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.